What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So 2020 is right around the corner, and with that being said, it's time to make sure that your hairstyle is in check and in trend for 2020. So today, I'm going to show you my favorite hairstyle for the brand new year. Let's get started. So I did a little bit of browsing on the interweb and I came across an article about popular hairstyles for men in 2020. And I came across this one that I thought was really interesting, so I'm going to put it up on the screen right there. Now this is called the Tousled men's hairstyle. They describe it as styling and then over-styling, so a lot of extra work, but it's a very, very cool and relaxed look that you can wear for pretty much any occasion, which is why out of the entire list of hairstyles, I thought this one was the best. So today I'm going to show you how to style the Tousled men's hairstyle. Obviously I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair just like always before applying any hair product, so now I'm going to grab the product that we're going to use today. And I'm actually going to use a combination of products. I'm going to be using the Pete & Pedro Salt as well as the Pete & Pedro Putty. Mainly because the tousled hairstyle seems to have a lot of texture, but also kind of a relaxed, pulled back type of look. So in order to get the texture, I'm going to use the sea salt spray. In order to get volume and hold, I'm also using the putty. Alright, so we're going to start out by resaturating my hair with the sea salt spray. I'm not going to use a ton of it, but just a little bit to give my hair some lift and some texture. Alright, so I've got the sea salt spray texturized throughout my hair, so as soon as I hit that with a hairdryer, it's going to give me a lot of texture, a lot of grittiness, a lot of hold. Alright, so next we're going to be going in with the Pete & Pedro Putty, and I'm going to start out light at first because it seems like this hairstyle doesn't have a ton of volume or a ton of hold. It looks pretty relaxed, pretty pulled back. So I'm going to use the hairdryer to achieve that mostly, and if I need to go back in for more later, I will. So I'm only going to get a little bit of it, about that much right there, not too much at all, just enough to give my hair some lift and some volume. Now emulsify it, break it down in my hands to make sure it goes through my hair nice and evenly, and then we're going to start at the back and work my way up to the front, kind of crossing my hands over my head like this in order to make sure to get the product down to the roots, and then coming back up to the front and coating that last. You never want too much hair product in the front right here because then it will weigh down the hair. You want to make sure that that has kind of almost the least amount so that you can create volume in that space with the hairdryer. Alright, so next up I'm going to style my hair. I'm going to be using a comb and a hairdryer. And before we jump into the styling tutorial, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. They make the watch I'm wearing, the necklace, and plenty of other accessories that are my absolute favorites. Guys, with the holiday season approaching us very quickly, now is the time to get gifts for your homies, for your peeps, for your families. And there is no one better than Rose Gold and Black. Their accessories are simple, they're elegant, they're clean, and they're extremely affordable as well, which makes them great for your budget and your holiday shopping sprees. Click on the link in the description of this video, head over to rosegoldandblack.com, grab yourself some accessories. There is a discount associated with that link as well, so you can get them for an even better price than what they are at already. Guys, don't miss out, don't sleep, go head over to rosegoldandblack.com and grab yourself some accessories today. So really what I'm trying to do here is pull the hair back with the comb while setting it in place with the hairdryer in order to make sure that it lays exactly how I want it to. I'm not trying to create a ton of volume here, mostly just holding it in a position. Alright guys, so almost done with the hairstyle here. I got a ton of volume with the hairdryer and the brush, but there's not quite enough volume, so I'm going to add a little bit more product and give myself a little bit extra hold, a little bit extra control of my hairstyle. Again, not getting a ton, about that much. Just enough to break up in my hair and create some separation, some more texture, and a little bit more hold. And this time, I'm going to concentrate on this side over here, the middle, and the front. I'm not so much going to mess with the back just because I really don't need to. I want more control in the side, the middle, and the front, so that's where I'm going to put the product. looking back at the picture, you can kind of see that the guy in the picture sort of has his pulled back and swept off to the side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do with mine right now. And you could even, if you really wanted to, kind of take some hairs like this, some individual strands or chunks, and kind of bend them down towards your face, just to create a little bit more of a natural look if that's what you like. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, and here are the final results. Alright guys, and that wraps it up for today's video. How close did I get to achieving the hairstyle in the picture? I think I got pretty close. I think I did a pretty good job. But just let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Again, drop your comments and thoughts in the comment section down below. And do not forget to subscribe to the Crew family if you have not already. Turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post a video next. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.